Go home happy with the 2009 Chevrolet Avalanche. With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's an Avalanche that delivers the security and comfort of a full-size SUV and the practicality of a pickup. Smooth, quiet, rugged, and thoughtfully designed to be as pleasant to drive as it is useful. This versatility vehicle was designed with your lifestyle in mind. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, fog lamps, power passenger seat, remote engine start, satellite radio, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alarm, steering wheel audio controls, dual zone AC. Style and function blend beautifully in this can-do Avalanche. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.